Hello, my name is Jürgen Van Erps. I am a professor at B-Phot, and looking back at 2023, there are certainly a few things that I can highlight. First of all, we've set up a kind of support mechanisms for small and medium-sized enterprises at the national level, which is kind of translating what we already do for a few years in the European scale Photon Hub Europe project to the Flemish context with the European Digital Innovation Hub Digitalis. And we have already a couple of companies that we are supporting with their innovation challenges. Another highlight is that within the European project rgen, which ended at the end of last year, we developed a novel type of sensor that can transform ionizing radiation into an optical signal, and we use that in particular for brachytherapy application. And we developed there a kind of a scintillating tip that can be mass produced, put onto a polymer optical fiber in a way that can be low cost and mass producible. We also have a patent that we applied for related to that work. Next, we have also some breakthroughs in our 3D nanoprinting technology applications. For example, we have developed some meta surfaces using this technology where we try to make arrays of nanopillars with different heights and that we can put in a certain distribution in order to achieve functionalities that are not possible with traditional refractive or diffractive optical elements. And we also have realized some very miniaturized lenses that are printed directly on the tip of polymer optical fibers for biosensing applications. So these are a few highlights of 2023 for me.